how to add HTML code in Blogger post. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how to add your HTML or any code in relation to, of course, website inside of your Blogger post. So over here, we have our Blogger post over here that we have. And what you could do is you could look over here on the top left one. There's this button over here that says Compose View or HTML View. Selecting HTML View will allow us to, as you can see the website with an HTML form. And when we add our HTML code over here, so hello YouTube, we will be able to have HTML be added into our Blogger post, as you can see. So simply enter or post or paste your HTML snippet over here and it would appear on your Blogger post. So that's basically it, guys. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.